Tina and I are in DC. It's our 2-month anniversary, so we're just going to get drunk. First place we're gonna go to is this bar that's all about murder. And now we're gonna go to Beer Garden, and then after we're gonna go to a Filipino restaurant. And this is that video.
Slide out the back without the neighbors knowing. Pose for the picture with the pearly whites. Deadlands zooming in, catching all my stripes. Use trade drone for some money and she gave me all I need for the night. 40 survive, only right, but I need some advice. And I know that I'm acting foolish.
We're at Adobe Premiere Pro. Alright, that was Dr. Beer Garden. Place is amazing. You can sit there, Dr. Loft. You can sit there and they'll come over and they'll ask you for drinks and you don't have to move. It's fantastic. I highly recommend it. Now we're gonna get Filipino food. Alright, I'm currently in the bathroom of Bad Religion. It's a Filipino restaurant. We have like an hour and a half wait, so we're gonna get drunk. But it's a Filipino restaurant, super like new, contemporary. Want to do for the culture. Check out this washing hand sign. When have you ever seen this shit? When have you ever seen this? Alright, we just left El Chucho. Some chick puked in El Chucho. Puked, I'm not joking. She puked in it. Everyone pretended like nothing happened. And Tina got really mad. So mad.
You can't just pretend you didn't fly everywhere. And I smell it. And I can't eat my food anymore.
Slide out the back without the neighbors knowing. Pose for the picture with the pearly whites. Deadlands zooming in, catching all my stripes. Use trade drone for some money and she gave me all I need for the night. 40 survive, only right, but I need some advice. And I know that I'm acting foolish.
Alright, we just finished eating at Bad Saint. Delicious! And then a picture of Bourdain. Definitely go there. Definitely recommend in DC. And that's it because my battery's about to die. We'll see you guys in the next one.